Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore a very powerful book, Think Straight, written by Darius Foroux. Do you know what's the biggest problem in our lives? It's not lack of money, not lack of opportunities, but overthinking. Our mind keeps running all the time with unnecessary thoughts, doubts, and fears. This book teaches us how to keep our thinking clear, simple, and focused. If you also want to stop overthinking and want to take control of your thoughts, then this video is just for you. So let's dive into the Think Straight book summary and learn how to think with clarity and purpose. 1. Simplify your thinking. The author says, complex thinking creates complex problems. Our goal should be to simplify thoughts, not complicate them. Whenever you feel confused, ask yourself, is this really that important? This small question can clear half of your mental mess. 2. Stop overthinking. Overthinking is the biggest enemy of clarity. Most of the time, we think about things that are not in our control. The book gives us a golden rule: control the controllable, ignore the rest. If you focus only on what you can control, life becomes simple and stress-free. 3. Reset your mindset. A messy mindset equals a messy life. Every morning, ask yourself just one question. What are the 3 most important things I must focus on today? This daily reset will make your thinking clear and your actions productive. 4. Simple life equals clear thinking. The more clutter you have in life, the more clutter you will have in your mind. Too many possessions, too many relationships, too many distractions equals chaos. The solution: life simple, think simple, stay focused. 5. Replace negative thoughts. Our brain naturally drifts toward negative thinking. I can't do this. What if I fail? What will people say? The book teaches us, replace every negative thought with a constructive one. Instead of, I can't do this, say, I will try and learn from it. This rewires your brain for positivity. 6. Focus on solutions, not problems. Most people spend hours worrying about the problem instead of solving it. Darius Foroux says, whenever you face a challenge, immediately shift your focus to solutions. This attitude makes you a problem solver, not a problem maker. 7. Develop writing habit. Thousands of thoughts run in our head every day. If we don't organize them, they will overwhelm us. The book says, writing equals mental clarity. Write down your top 5 thoughts, worries, or ideas every night. This small exercise clears your head like magic. 8. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison kills clarity. When we focus on others' success, we lose track of our own journey. The book reminds us, don't waste your mental energy on comparison. Your only competition is with yourself. Less comparison equals more focus equals clear thinking. 9. Avoid mental garbage. Whatever you feed your brain, it becomes your thought pattern. Too much social media, gossip, or negative news equals mental garbage. The author says, garbage in equals garbage out. If you want clarity, consume good content, read books, listen to positive ideas. 10. Practice gratitude and positivity. Gratitude clears your mind and brings peace. Every night, write down 3 things you are grateful for. This small habit shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you already have. Result: positive energy, clear thinking, and happiness. So friends, this was the Think Straight book summary. This book gives us a roadmap to simplify our life and thoughts. Let's quickly recap the key lessons. Simplify your thinking. Stop overthinking. Reset your mindset every day. Life simple to think simple. Replace negative thoughts. Focus on solutions. Write down your thoughts. Stop comparing. Avoid mental garbage. Practice gratitude. Remember, clear thinking equals better decisions equals better life. If you found this summary useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such powerful book summaries. Stay positive, think straight, and keep growing. Thank you for watching.